Brack is 3 years old. His mom is a full-blooded Maremma, which is an Italian sheepdog. And his father is probably a golden retriever, I don't know, but he is my mascot for my Brack geometry video curriculum, where I help geometry students learn things that are hard for most high school students. So I'm going to go on back this evening, and put some more videos up. I've got one more to finish Module 3 on my SAT prep, and I might do a Math Minute with Mr. Chu. So why don't you check us out? Subscribe. There is my curriculum mascot for my bear algebra. So between him and Brack, I will help you out in your math problems.